here. 3. I got a snipe. Go. Where'd you shoot him from? Oh, yeah, we definitely hit him. I'll turn it back on semi. That is where the fun part comes. We can't go in the yard. Right there, look, he's behind that tree right there. That's why I'm walking in there. Look, I'm on the bush. Where? Right in the bush. Like, behind that tree. Alright, move!
It's in the neighbor's yard!
I got him. Got him right in the face! Wait. I got him.
Okay.
I got him.
Alright, game over.
I got 50 shots.